So hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 best AI video generators that you can actually use to generate videos in few minutes. And one thing I actually love about all of these 5 is that you don't have to be an AI expert to use them. All you simply have to do is simply put in a simple prompt or a simple message and it gets to generate exact video that you actually need for you. And the benefit of it is that if there's any sort of mistake that you don't like about it, you can easily change it by their millions of content they already have available in their library, and they are already done for you templates that you can easily switch around to get exactly what you want. And that is the beauty of using these AI tools. So when it comes to these AI tools, most of them are both paid and free combined. So without taking much of your time, let's get straight on my computer. Let me share with you these 5 best AIs that you can use to start generating video today and probably start a faceless channel that will make you more money. So if you're interested to start a faceless YouTube channel, then you can watch that video displaying at the top. I will be tagging in the video description. You can go check it out. In that video, will take you on every single thing you need to start a faceless YouTube channel and start making money with it. So that already said, let's get straight into today's video. So hello guys. When it comes to using AIs to actually create stunning videos, like videos that are really engaging and meets up with your expectation, the first one on my list is actually called Invideo. So why do I use Invideo and why do I place Invideo as the first? The reason why I place Invideo first is because they've been in the industry for the longest time ever and have the most recognition out there. And trust me, when it comes to most AI videos that you see on the internet, most of them are made out of Invideo. Though not all of them, but majority of them is made with Invideo because it's the most trusted and has been in the industry for quite a long time. So when it comes over to Invideo, they have both free and paid plan. As I already said, some of them have free plans, some of them have paid plans. So you simply have to go with any plan that you can afford. So take a look at the free one here. The free one for anyone who wishes to try AI video creation. And here's the terms and conditions. You say you have 10 minutes every week of AI generation. So meaning if you have to create a video a week, you can only use up to 10 minutes. So if you create a video of 10 minutes at once, then you need to wait for a 1 week period before you create another video again. Or you can simply spread this 10 minutes into, depending on the length of your video. So if you create videos of 2 minutes, then that's cool because you can create up to 5 videos with it. But once you hit your 10-minute mark, you have to wait for 1 week period for it to replenish again, for you to actually create your next video. Another drawback of their free plan is that you don't have access to iStock. iStock is simply an image library where you have access to so many copyright-free images that you can actually use within your system. But then there's no problem at all if you don't have access to iStock, because with Canva, with Invideo, you can literally download images from somewhere else and then upload into it. So if you are worried about which video to actually, so if you are worried about where you can actually get stock videos and images to actually use for your video, you can watch a video that's showing on your screen right now. You can simply go watch that video. It's on this channel. Simply watch that video and you're going to see multiple websites where you can get free copyrighted free images and use for your videos. So the iStock restriction shouldn't be a ban to you. And then your storage limit is 10 GB storage, which is also okay because images and videos don't really take much space if you are uploading them. And then export, you can only make 4 exports a week with Invideo logo. You see, meaning their watermark is actually going to be there. You have to make 4 exports every week. And then that's simply every single thing you have access to on their free plan. So if you are someone who's really looking forward to run a successful YouTube channel with it, then you can come over and get their $20 per month plan. So this one is simply $25 every single month, which is, if you are paying monthly, is $25. This one you have access to unlimited minutes of actually creating videos. So assuming you create up to 50 minutes of videos, that's simply, if it's 10 minutes, you have 5 videos for the whole month. So that's simply it about the first one on our list, called Invideo. So hello guys, the second one on our list is actually called Deep Brain. So one benefit of Deep Brain is that whether you are using their free plan or not, they don't actually require you to put your credit card details to actually use them, because their free plan is mainly for you to use for 100% free. Unlike those that has so many restrictions, their own has less restriction and they give you access to numerous things even on their free plan as well. So Deep Brain is pretty much new in the industry. Based on when I've started using them, I haven't used them for that much long, and I would say they are pretty much new in the industry. And one benefit of Deep Brain is that you can be an English speaking someone and then generate Spanish, Hindi, and Chinese video. All you simply have to do is that simply switch in between the language that are available on the platform, and then you have so many languages to actually choose from. And currently, these are the 4 major ones that I have personally have access to, and I know that really work perfectly well: the Chinese, Hindi, and Spanish, then English, which is the default one. So this particular Deep Brain is actually powered by ChatGPT. That gives us more power over most of the AIs out there, because it's powered by ChatGPT, it's easily for it to actually understand the prompt that you give to him. So even though you are not a prompt master, all you simply have to do is simply put a little text there, and then it gets to do everything for you for 100% free. So to get started, all you simply have to do is simply hit here to get started for free, or probably you can check their plans and pricing to see if you want to go to the premium plan, if the free one won't be able to give you everything you want. And you can see here's their payment, their premium plan. It starts at $30, ideal plan for just one starting out. Then they have that $25 plan and everything. So you simply choose which one you actually want to go for, and then you pay for it and then go on with your own way. So that's simply it about the second one on our list, called Deep Brain. As I already said, some of them will be 100% free, some will be free and paid as well. So you can simply go for anyone that you think will deliver the best for you. I'm just recommending the best AIs that I've actually used to generate videos. So hello guys, the third one on our list is actually called R1. So R1 is pretty much new in the industry if I compare it to when I've been using other ones as well. So personally, I'm giving you based on the time I've been using them. I've used Invideo for years. I've used Deep Brain for quite a long time, and also so applies to R1 as well. And with this one also, it's simply just putting your simple prompt, and they have access to a lot of different voices, and you can even do a voice clone. So for example, if you are someone like me who've been creating a face channel whereby you speak directly, you don't use any AI to generate your voice, you do your talking yourself, and then you still want to incorporate this into your AI videos, you can easily clone your voice and then simply use it to create the video. So the videos will be there, you simply put in your prompt, but every single narrative will use your own voice. That's one benefit about this particular one. And they also allow you to add your brand kit to your videos, like customize your videos to your taste, and then you have a library to actually store them there to avoid bringing them in and out always. So one is pretty much a good AI content generating platform that you can actually use when it comes to creating videos. And here are their plans and everything you need to know. So the fourth one on our list is actually called Li. So Li is one of my favorites. The reason why I see Li as one of my favorites is that it supports up to 28 different language voice clone, meaning you can actually clone voice of over 28 different languages. That gives it more power over the rest. So if you are someone who wants to create one, you can create one video and then use it in various languages. Like you can create one video in English, change that same video to Spanish, like different one, and then even use your real-time voice clone to actually get all of those done. And that's one benefit I love about it. You can see built AI powered training videos with a presenter in minutes without using a camera studio and a green screen. Like they are one of the best ever when it comes to create videos, and then they generate this AI realistic human face for you to actually use in your videos if you are not willing to share your videos, or you can simply use stock videos to actually replace them. So you can see it here, innovation in every sound, introducing multilingual voice cloning now in 28 different languages. And you know what that means. So this to tell you that you have a lot of advantage on this platform as compared to the rest. And one thing about this platform is that their AI is so intelligent that they can simply get exactly what you need from just some few points you give to them. They are going to give you like more than what you actually expect. So the final one on our list is actually called Pictory or Pictory.ai, depending on how you pronounce English languages, how you pronounce your English words. So that's not the case here. So the case here is that this is the fifth tool on our list when it comes to AI tools that you can actually use to generate videos. So honestly speaking, for me, when it comes to generating videos with our AI videos with Pictory, I would say they are best for marketing videos. Like when it comes to marketing videos, they are best at that particular part of it, like social media, shorts, blog vlogs. Most of them that focus more on marketing. Pictory is really accurate at that, and they get it right. So if you need a tutorial on how you can use any of this, you can let me know down in the video section, and I'm going to help you create a video on how you can actually use any of them. So that already said, have a nice day.